Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Today we're going to take a look at the four-way vowel harmony. For this purpose, I'm going to use the suffix "lık". This suffix can derive many different types of words and can appear in four different forms such as lık, lik, luk, and lük. The rule is very simple. Here is how it goes. Now, let's remember the 8 vowels in Turkish once again. A, I, O, U, E, I, Ö, Ü. And now, let's group them like this. The rule is, if the preceding vowel is one of those 2 vowels in each group, then we use the suffix with the vowel on the right. To say it more clearly, if the last vowel of the word is a or I, we use the suffix with I, lık. If the last vowel of the word is o or u, we use the suffix with u, luk. If the last vowel of the word is e or I, we use the suffix with I, lik. If the last vowel of the word is ö or ü, we use the suffix with ü, lük. Now, let's take a look at these examples. Our word is kulak, kulak, and it means ear. As you see, the last vowel is a. So in this case, we use the suffix lık, and our word becomes kulaklık, kulaklık, and this means headphone. Here is another word, çocuk, çocuk, and it means child. As you see, the last vowel is u. In this case, we use the suffix luk. So our word becomes çocukluk, çocukluk, and this means childhood. Here is another one, güzel, güzel. It means beautiful. As you see, the last vowel is e. In this case, we use the suffix lik. Our word becomes güzellik, güzellik, and this means beauty. Here is another one, göz, göz, and this means eye. As you see, the first and the last vowel is ö. In this case, we use the suffix lük. So our word becomes gözlük, gözlük, and this means glasses. Please remember once again, Turkish is known with its abundance of suffixes, which you can add one after another. So, as you add more suffixes, the vowel harmony just continues. Here is an example. Let's remember our last word again. Gözlük, gözlük, and this means glasses. If I add another suffix, I can make this word like gözlükçü, gözlükçü, which means an optician shop. And I can add or today's suffix again to this word. So the last vowel of the word is ü. In this case, we can add the suffix lük, and our word becomes gözlükçülük, gözlükçülük, which means the work of an optician shop. And it is even possible to add more suffixes to that. As you get familiar with Turkish and the sound of the words, you will automatically feel which form of the suffix should be used, because it will be the one that will allow you to pronounce the suffixed word easier. It will flow. You can also check this by yourself. Try to make our example words today by using the incorrect suffix and feel the difference. It is mainly because where and how the sound is formed within the mouth. In the course of our lessons, we are going to see a lot of suffixes. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again in the next ones.